Today, we're tackling a common issue: shortcuts not working on your iPhone or iPad. If you rely on shortcuts for efficiency, this can be really frustrating, but don't worry, I've got some easy solutions for you. First, open the Shortcuts app. Make sure on the My Shortcuts tab, tap on a shortcut that's not working and check if it requires any specific permissions. Go to Settings and ensure all necessary permissions are granted. Next, let's check for any available iOS updates. Go to Settings, tap on General, and hit on Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Keeping your device updated can fix bugs that affect shortcuts. If the issue persists, you might want to reset your shortcut settings. Go to Settings, tap on Shortcuts, and toggle off, and simply toggle it back on. If your shortcuts are still not working, it might be time to contact Apple support for further assistance. There could be a deeper software issue at play, and that's how to fix shortcuts not working on your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and we'll help you out.